Hello students, in today's session of laws of motion very basics, concept of pseudo force will be cleared through illustrations. In earlier session we have studied all these things which you can review on SethiSwiftLearn. In addition to this, I will also like to request go through these very concept clearing videos which you can review on SethiSwiftLearn. I will also like to say NEET 2025 paper solution physics is available on SethiSwiftLearn. Right now, let's start with the question. Question is, from the figure as shown, find the acceleration of 2 kg block with respect to this. Find the acceleration of this with respect to this. Given this is F1 is 4 Newton, F2 is 6 Newton. Right? No. F1 is 4 Newton. F2 is 6 Newton. Let's say this is mass M1, this is mass M2. We have to find acceleration of 1, A, 1, 2. Acceleration of block 1 with respect to 2. Means observer is at point, that is observer at block 2. And we have to find A21 acceleration of block 2 with respect to 1. Observer at block 1. Right? In this case, I am going to clear the concept of FP. FP, that is pseudo force. Pseudo force. Right? Now you know frame of references. Frame of references. What is inertial frame of reference? That is not accelerated. Is accelerated now. Non-inertial, which is accelerated. Now in this case, this is accelerated, this is accelerated, therefore non-inertial frame. Non-inertial frame. This is also accelerated non-inertial frame. Right? If observer at non-inertial frame, observing the free body diagram, then pseudo force come into picture. Then FP come into picture for non-inertial frame. Now, first we find A12. First to find A1, A1 will equal F1 over M1. F1 over 4 by 1. 4 by 1, that is 4 meter per second square. And A2 F2 by M2, 6 by 2, that is 3 meter per second square. 3 meter per second square. Right? To find A12, this is M1, 1 kg. Force acting on this is right side. This is F1. Now, observer is at F2. Direction of this is left hand side. So, pseudo force will act on this M1 and direction of acceleration will be opposite to that. Direction of FP. This FP will be equal to Mass of this M1 into A2. M1 is 1 kg into 3, that is 3 Newton. F1 is 4 Newton, right? So this is the pseudo force. Therefore, A12 will be equal to F1 plus Fp divided by M1. On simplification, 4 plus 3 divided by 1, that is 7 meter per second square. Similarly, for F2, A21. A21 means EM2, that is 2 kg. F2 is acting on this one. A2 is in this direction. A2 is in this direction. A1 is moving right side. The acceleration is on right side. So acceleration on the M2 will be on the left hand side. This will be equal to Fp will be equal to M2 into A1, right? Therefore, A21 will be equal to Fp plus F2 divided by 2 mass. So this is F2 is given to you 6 Newton plus M2 2 into A1. A1 comes out to be 4. This comes out to be 14 divided by 2, that is 7 meter per second square. Right? So pseudo force in this case is this one. Pseudo force in this case is this one. Frame of reference for this. This was the observing point. So the pseudo force will act on this in a direction which is opposite to this one. It will move in this direction. Mass of this body into acceleration of this, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, SethiSwiftLearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you. Dhanyavad.